everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set birthday reminders on Google Calendar apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars apps. And after this, in here, if you wanna add birthday reminders, so you just click on the plus box icon at the bottom. Click on it. And after this, in here you just click on the reminders, and then in here you can click for reminders for what, maybe for me I want to try to a birthday day my husband. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the all day for the off, and in here I want to add for the date. In here you can swipe this month, and then you can click on the date, maybe this one, and then click this one and click OK. And after this, in here you can click on the save at the top, and then you can go to maybe you can go to for the December, and then finish. In here you can set your Google Calendar your birthday reminders. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.